Compound is belong to aromatic compound. This compound is belong to aromatic compound. So now it is the aromatic compound. So it is O, it is CH3. So in this compound CH3 is alkyl group, C6H5 is the aromatic phenyl group. So common name of the compound is it is methyl. CH3 is methyl. CH3 is methyl. This one is phenyl group. This one is phenyl group. So common name is methyl. Common name is methyl phenyl. Methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. It is the common name. So then IUPAC name is phenyl group is the bulky group, methyl group is the smaller group. Smaller group with oxygen it is methoxy. It is methoxy. So then methoxy, it is the methoxy benzene. Methoxy benzene. So methoxy benzene, it is common name is anisole. It is the anisole. It is the anisole. It is the important compound. So methoxy benzene. So then sixth compound is, let us consider it is the phenyl group. So it is the phenyl group. Phenyl group with O it is CH2. It is CH3. CH2 CH3. So this one is it is a phenyl group. It is the phenyl group. C2H5 it is the ethyl. C2H5 it is the ethyl. So ethyl group is the smaller alkyl group. So ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. The common name is ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. According to IUPAC nomenclature, ethyl plus oxygen it is ethoxy. Ethoxy it is the benzene. So IUPAC name is the ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy benzene. So then let us consider branched chain compounds. What are branched chain compounds? For example, it is CH3, it is O, it is CH, it is CH3, it is CH3. It is the branched chain compounds. So now OCH3 it is the methoxy group. It is the methoxy group. Remaining compound is the parent group. So meth prop. It is the propane. So to give the numbers of the carbons, it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is the third carbon. So then the common name is it is the iso group, isopropyl methane or methane isopropyl. The common name is the isopropyl methane. Isopropyl. So it is the isopropyl methane or isopropyl ether. So then according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is the methoxy. Second carbon with methoxy. So the IUPAC name is the 2-methoxy-propane. 2-methoxy-propane is the IUPAC name of the compound. So then eighth compound is generally let us consider unsaturated compounds. For example, it is CH2 double bond CH, it is CH2, it is O, it is CH3. So now OCH3 is the methoxy. So then it is the parent chain. Actually this compound is allyl alkyl. It is the allyl alkyl group are present. So allyl means it is the OCH3 is the methoxy It is attached to the sp3 carbon. Next carbon is sp2 carbon. It is called allyl carbon or allyl alkyl. Allyl alkyl. So it's no common name. The IUPAC name of the compound is to give the numbers of the carbons. So first priority to give the double bond. So it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon. It is the third carbon. So 3-methoxy it is the 3-methoxy. IUPAC name is 3-methoxypropene alkene. 3-methoxypropene alkene. So these are the some common compounds, common names and IUPAC names of the ethers. So then after completion of the nomenclature of the ethers, then we are going to discuss about what are generally some aromatic compounds like that. Some aromatic compounds like that. What are CH2 single bond, CH2 it is O, it is a bond. So this compound is simply ethylenes, or it is also known as it is epoxide. This compound name is the epoxide. So then after completion of the nomenclature, then we are going to discuss about isomerism. So isomerism means the compounds which having same molecular formula but differ in their properties, different properties. So different properties is due to different structural arrangement of the compounds. So isomerism means the compounds which having same molecular formula but different properties is called isomerism. Due to isomerism, the compounds with different structural isomerism. So generally ethers to exhibit two types of isomerism. One is functional group isomerism. Generally ethers, that is ROR, these are functional group isomerism with alcohols. These are functional group isomers with alcohols. So ROR is the ethers, ROH is the alcohols, as well as what is phenols. So that is C6H5, it is OH, it is the phenols. So ethers are functional group with alcohols and phenols. So it is explained with one suitable example. Example 1 is the compound molecular formula is C2H6O. Molecular formula of the compound is C2H6O. So then C2H6O with the two functional group isomers. So that is first one is ether, like that. It is CH3O, it is CH3. So number of carbons 1, 2, C2. Number of hydrogens 3 plus 3, 6, it is oxygen. So it is methyl group, it is the dimethyl ether. It is the common name. Our IUPAC name is methoxymethane. So then ethers are functional group with alcohols. So for example, same molecular formula but different compound CH3, CH2, OH. Number of carbons 1, 2 carbons. Number of hydrogens 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, H6 and 1 oxygen. So compound with OH group, it is the alcohol. The name of the alcohol is ethyl alcohol. It is common name. The IUPAC name is ethanol. It is the ethanol. Diethyl ether, IUPAC name is methoxy. It is the methoxymethane. Methoxymethane is the IUPAC name. So, molecular formula C2H6O to exhibit two types of isomers. One is dimethyl ether, second one is ethyl alcohol. CH3OCH3 is the ether, CH3CH2OH is the alcohol. So then for example, let us consider second example. For example, the molecular formula of the compound is C4H10O. C4H10O. So first one is ethers. Says ethers. So then it is CH3, it is CH2, it is O, it is CH2, it is CH3. So then carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. C4. Number of hydrogens 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1 oxygen. So it is ethyl, it is ethyl. Diethyl ether. It is the diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. It is functional group isomerism with alcohol. So that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. It is OH. CH2OH. So number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. C4. Number of hydrogens 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Number of oxygen 1. So meet eth propbute. So it is the butanol or butyl alcohol. So it is the butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol. So diethyl ether is the functional group with butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol. So these are the functional group isomers with open chain compounds. So then next example is, for example, third example is, for example, let us consider anisole. So what is anisole? So it is the methoxybenzene. So it is OCH3. It is methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. It is a functional group isomerism with. So it is functional group isomerism with CH2. It is OH. CH2OH. Phenyl group, carbon 1, hydrogen 3, hydrogen 3, 1 oxygen. It is benzyl alcohol. It is the benzyl alcohol. So, methoxybenzene is functional group isomerism with benzyl alcohol. So now second type of the isomerism is metamerism. So metamerism means different alkyl groups are attached to the bivalent atom in the compound. So for example, let us consider molecular formula is C4H10. What is C4H10O? C4H10O. So then C4H10O can be written as, so it is CH3, it is CH2, it is O, it is CH2, it is CH3. So oxygen is the bivalent atom. It is the bivalent atom. So bivalent atom attached with different alkyl groups. So it is the ethyl. So both ethyl groups are present into the oxygen. So next compound is, so it is CH3, it is O, it is CH2, it is CH2, so then it is CH. So CH3 is the methyl group, CH2, CH3 is the propyl group. So methyl, propyl are the different alkyl groups, but these are the same alkyl groups. Oxygen also bivalent atom. So metamerism means bivalent atom attached with different alkyl groups. So it is methyl group, it is propyl group. So it is ethyl group, it is the ethyl group. So it is the isomerism of the ethers.